Hi, today we're gonna make a tomato sandwich. I have tons of huge slicer tomatoes ready. So let me show you this. Welcome back. Today we're going to make a tomato sandwich. I have huge slicer tomatoes ready. Did you know that slicers or beefsteak type tomatoes don't only come in red? Come check it out. Alright, so we have been waiting on this one. And yesterday it looked like it was just yellow. But today I'm a little more pleased with the color. There's hardly any red in it. Let's pick it. It's supposed to be a Beauty King. Okay, so I just picked this Beauty King and look at the red striping. Now I'm more convinced that it's a Beauty King. Okay, the ones in the front were getting really big and stripy, and they were labeled Solar Flare, and they had absolutely no red in them, and all they had was yellow and green striping. Sometimes your seeds get mixed up, especially if you do a lot of trading like I do. I'm constantly trading online. It's one of my favorite things. It gets me through the winter. I get to try different varieties. That's so fun. But I was worried about this one too. This is a kaleidoscope jewel. And seeing those, I'm like, yeah, that's a kaleidoscope jewel. But it was putting off a whole bunch of red on this same plant. And I was like, this might be mislabeled. But, see, the further in you go, the more red. The more sun, the more blushing and the purple on the shoulders. So after my pruning that I did, it was showing up a lot more color. So now I'm more confident that these seeds are in fact kaleidoscope jewel. Look at these delicious big slicers. Yum! About time. Can you count how many are in there? Look at this one. Yum, yum, yum. This is an Amana orange next to a pineapple. See some of these pineapples? Yum. Should we go look for some more slicers? Solar Flare is not labeled right, but they are big and pretty. Let's pull that one. Nope, let's not pull that one. So they ended up being a giant yellow striped one. As the yellow color comes into full color, it kind of gets rid of the striping. They're a very mild tomato, so they're not what I expected at all. But look at these ones. This one says Kentucky beefsteak. No coloring on any of them yet. And then this is the Black Beauty. Look at that thing. Isn't that crazy? So let me show you some more. I've got some Cosmos. Look, I got more wood chips. Yep, I'm crazy. So let's go find some more slicers. But you gotta see some of the Cosmos by my front, by the sidewalk over here. And look at Penhill watermelon. Favorite dahlia so far. Gorgeous. These aren't slicers, but this is Sunrise Bumblebee. That's a really yummy one. Lots of yummy slicers coming. We're almost September. So we have just about a month maybe. Hopefully we don't get a really crazy frost. Look at this Amana orange. Pretty, next to some weeds. Come check out these dahlias. Look at that thing. Isn't that gorgeous? I think it's the Colorado Classic. Let's try to hit it on this side. Can you see how pretty that is? All right, we're on a hunt for more slicers. This is I just kind of let this part go. Brand new bed. That, I believe, is a great white. Excited. Oh, look, we got another orange one. I might be able to just pull that one. Let's see. Ooh, I'm so excited. I did not get hardly any of my favorite ones, which are called Dr. Weich's. Dr. W. This is an Amana orange. They have a similar taste. So look at this dahlia. Isn't she pretty? Next to one of my favorite roses. And look at these slicers. I think these are DX52 again. These guys put out so many giant ones. Look at this thing. All right, let's see if we look at that. Huge. Let's grab the next one I see ready right there. If I can get in there. There we go. Also giant. Look at that. Yum! Now how do I stack these up with the camera? Okay, camera going down weird. Okay, 3 huge. Let's go put these on our porch and go find some more. I could probably pick some of the other ones too. Whoops. 3 huge slicers. Let's go on a hunt. Let's go find some more slicers. This is all in my front yard. So I haven't even looked in the back. But I know there was lots in the front. This DX52, a friend told me about it. It was at the Kuwaharas. Look, there's another giant one. Shall we pull it? Yes, we shall. So while we're pulling this one, I want to show you the next one. Look at how funny. Little itty bitty ones that'll probably not make anything. But we got a giant DX52. So over here, I thought it was a Amana orange, but I think it's another DX52. Look at the love on that. Isn't that awesome? So let's go find some more slicers. We're going to drop this off to the porch. This is going to be a sidewalk eventually. Come on, dahlias, bloom. I almost have some blooms on you. Add that to the slicer. So some of that, I got to get in the middle of it. I'm sure I got more ripe tomatoes in the middle of all those. So this one is called Lila Sari. Do I have any ready? Whoops, well, I don't know if it's quite ready, but these ones are pretty good actually. I don't love the purple tomatoes very much, but these are an exception. Another one I dropped down the hill here. They have enough acidity that they taste like a tomato, but they're not completely mushy like a purple one. How do you describe a purple one? Smoky? I don't just love them. Oops. Oh, Mr. Lila Sari. Sorry I missed you. Big old. I have gotten so many off this little plant. So it's not a little plant, it's just kind of not propped up very well. Probably 12 of these already. All right, let's see if any of these are ready. Oh, that looks good. Yum. Another one ready. This guy can wait a little more. This one looks like, half of him's ready. Pockets are getting full. There's a difference between putting cherries in your pocket or putting beefsteaks in your pocket. One and it's full. Any more in there that are ready? Any more? Any more ready? What about you guys, huh? Anybody ready back there? Nope. A crazy colored one. I'm gonna pull him. Look, he's got more love for me. These things are huge. Show you a picture. Whoop! Ugh. I'll show you a picture inside of that same variety. Okay, minus some crazy ones in here that I can't even get to. Let's see if one of my kids will do that. I am so excited to eat one of my first tomato sandwiches. This is the Amana Orange. That one is the Beauty King, and that is a beefsteak. So I have some fun stuff here. This is the Amana Orange. That's what it looks like inside. There's a Kaleidoscope Jewel. There's a Giant Belgium. This one was labeled Solar Flare, but I don't see any red in it, so I don't think so. If it tastes amazing, I'll just label it yellow with green stripes. There's a Lucid Gem. Haven't tasted that one yet. Here's the Beauty King. I just tasted it. I really love it. And then this one in the middle is the Lila Sari, and this one's got to get eaten right away. So I don't normally like the smoky purple ones. I just don't love them. Some people love the black crim, Cherokee purple, all that stuff. I don't love it. It's too smoky. It's too mushy flavor to me. I don't know. It just doesn't like my taste buds. But the Lila Sari has a little bit of that, but enough red acidity to even that out. And I really am enjoying those. So I don't know how I'm gonna eat the sandwich. 3 layers this big, but I'm so excited. Okay, maybe I'll add a little sari on it. Everybody needs a little bit of Lila Sari. All right, twisted my arm. I'm gonna put some of that on here. Be right back. All right, I had to add some of this on my tomato sandwich. Look at that coloring. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. So that's a pretty good tomato. Let me add it to my sandwich, and then good luck trying to bite that thing. I'm gonna be in heaven. All right, I just added the Lila Sari, so that tomato right there. I just added that slice to my delicious tomato sandwich. It's not even gonna close. Oh boy. All right, good luck trying to eat that thing. Oh, so some people have fun at like an amusement park, or they like to play hard. This is my fun, tasting tomatoes. This is what I love. It is so much fun. This is play to me. All right, wish me luck. I'm going in. So these tomatoes are so big, they can feed a small family or a large family like ours. We're gonna make some tomato sandwiches. Yummy! Cheese bagels and tomatoes from the garden. Here comes dinner. So these delicious sandwiches are almost done. Look at the size of that bread. I meant the tomato on the bread. Look. Look at the size of that kale that I want to put on my tomato sandwich. Isn't that huge? That's kind of fun, huh? This sandwich is so big. It's all you need to eat for the whole day. Delicious. So I got my daughter Audrey to help me. There was no way I was going to be able to film and eat this at the same time. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's see if I can even get it in one bite. I don't know if I can. All right, here we go. Do you need a bite? This is why we garden. For this taste.
Only one bite.
You can have a bite. Do you want?
Like a little tiny bite.
Yeah, big bite. You can't go tiny on this. Tell them what you think.
Good.
And it is good.
Very good.
Yeah.
Oh, and also,
Look at the striping. Can you see the striping on that?
Mama, can I still tell the story?
So fun. Tell them good, delicious.